Okay, so here is something that's going to be very interesting. I have a pair of headphones. These are my official Microsoft headphones. I've had these guys for a very, very long time. I specifically picked this out so that my wife would not accidentally purchase a video game that I didn't want to buy, but instead an accessory that I wanted to use to enhance my gaming experience. I wanted these headphones for a really good reason. That reason was I used to play upstairs with the big TV. Had a problem with that. I would allow boom, 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 and you want to communicate with other people. It was just too much. So the headphone was the perfect solution. With the microphone, everything was cool. But you can probably see this thing here. This is damaged. It's probably been stepped on a few times. The cushion is starting to come out a little bit. This is just not the best thing to have anymore. And at some point, it started giving me some feedback, this loud popping or clicking noise. It was literally giving me a headache. And I really couldn't take it anymore, so I'm just going to have to talk to these guys. There you go. I had to bite the bullet and go and get some more headphones. Hence the reason for this box. Now, before we get too far into me purchasing a new set of headphones and all the other stuff, I just want to send a reminder to George. George, I have 3 sets of Pocky Sticks. I am preparing to do my car videos, my Mercedes car videos, very soon. I needed to acquire extra materials that you may not have seen before. Yes, you've seen Pocky Sticks, but you haven't seen these Pocky Sticks or these Pocky Sticks, the pink ones. My wife actually likes these. It's weird. It's strawberry. So, just saying. End of that story. Now let's dive into this here. This is the part where I pull out the karambit. So, I'm going to flip this guy over here real quick. Come over here and, we may have to sharpen this thing all over again. So I'm going to prick it. There we go. Oh, look at that. Swing this over real quick. Hook it. There we go. Swing it over here real quick. Hook it. There we go. And we're just going to hold on to this here. We're not going to spin it around, get it all close to my face and everything. My coworker hates it when I do this here. I should probably show this video. Anyway, put that away. Open this guy up here. We have a box inside of a box. That's dangerously horrible because I was expecting more wrapping because the mailman or mail woman or mail person literally left this out on the porch by the edge, and it was getting rained on, but only the outer box got rained on. So this is a semi-fancy matte black box. It's not a lot to this box. It really isn't. The name of the company is Onikuma. Onikuma. These are gaming headsets, or this is a gaming headphone set. So I'm going to open this bad boy up here. I saw somebody on YouTube had actually did an unboxing of this here, which I thought was really nice. Because I was curious about it myself. I don't want to buy cheap crap. The guy said these are good headphones. The only catch is you don't get a lot of deep bass. And I'm the kind of guy that really doesn't need deep bass. All I need is something that actually plays good sound, the good mid-range sound, and these are nice. This has got the synthetic protein headphones. They're very comfortable. Wow. I feel like I should be on a spaceship giving orders. Ooh. Oh, I can feel the noise canceling pressure. Let me see if we can loosen this up a little bit here. There we go. Oh, this is Command Center. Roger, roger. Okay, so was not expecting it to be a split of USB and the other thing. I'm never going to use this. The USB will basically give it the LED lights. I don't like stuff lighting up. I think that's tacky. Oh, it's braided. The cord is actually braided. I'm going to go ahead and turn my Xbox on. This is actually nice. Yeah, so this is pretty much what you get. It looks like they're trying to push for more sales, and they want to give away a free mouse. I might take them up on that offer because I really don't need a mouse, but this looks wireless. And you get the little pamphlet. I like that too. And my game is not up yet, but I'm going to give it a shot. And this is a newer Xbox controller, so it does have the 3.5 millimeter jack built in. I'm going to pop this guy in here and see what it sounds like. There's actually a volume control on here too. There's a volume control and an on-off for the mic. I like that because sometimes when you don't want people around you hearing the conversation, yeah, that's the reason I got this, because the wife and I were having a conversation about Kanye West, and all of a sudden, shit. Oh, that sounds good. Oh, that sounds really good. Do I need this right now? Nope, I don't need that right now. Oh, this sounds really, really good. I got a volume control here too. Oh, so I can make it really, really soft. And I can turn the mic on and off. I like that. They have that little logo on here too. I'm trying to see what it sounds like in the game. So I may have to edit some of this here or go really, really fast.
Okay. Well, that sounds really good. It's a Division. I gotta wait a little bit. 10% on a Saturday night. Yeah. Still waiting. Come on. Oh, they even give you a little Velcro strap here. Because the length does appear to be fairly long, which is odd. That's a lot of length. Okay, oh. We're in here. Footsteps sound really good. I like that.
Yeah, it is missing a little bit of that deeper bass. Because the only thing that I really and truly need is something to play good audio while I'm downstairs. Uh-oh. Oh, you can probably hear that. I'll bring this a little bit closer. Oh, shoot. Oh. But the sound that you hear from here to there, it ain't the same. Ain't the same as when it's on in your head.